Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are having an amazing week, an amazing day, and hope you all are enjoying the readings also. As I always say, like it, comment it, share the video. When you are sharing your blessings come back 10 times. And also, I shall be bringing in another giveaway soon as a reading, a 3-question reading or a 15-minute reading for my regular viewers. So let's go for the day's card. Okay, now that's a beautiful card. Focus on your priorities. Maybe you are not focusing on yourself, and I say when we say priorities is maybe you are not focusing on yourself, you are not taking care of yourself, you are always running behind work, money, career, family, behind people to make them happy, behind your boss to make him happy. But sometimes you need to even spend time on yourself, sometimes you need to give yourself the love today, because it says prioritize yourself. In the morning, take 2 rose quartzes, soak them in the water for 15-20 minutes, and then have a bath with that water. Today wear something in either pink or white, because men may not want to wear pink, they might feel awkward. So either a pink, a light pink for women, and for men you can wear a white color, so that you will feel pretty, happy and loved from inside. But I felt I should pull one more card, because this is just talking about prioritizing ourselves, but how will the day go overall? Okay, the day is going to be good, and that's another amazing card. 3 of coins. So you're going to enjoy with the money. Don't go by the devils on top. Maybe you'll be spending. That is why this is the thing which is coming, that there are a lot of expenses. You're going to throw money like that, but it's okay once in a while. Maybe because you saw this reading, you decided to buy something for yourself, you decided to give yourself a little bit of attention. So it's okay. Go to a spa, spend some time in nearby the beach, or go shopping. Just go shopping, shop something which you like, and pick something for yourself, and let me know how your day went. So now again, this time also I'm bringing in the affirmation. It's a beautiful card actually. If you see, the Devi is actually very pretty, but we're not going to go by the cards, we're going to go by the affirmation. Okay, so today in the morning, okay, before I forget, I had already said pink and white and rose quartz. Today, feed a stray animal or leave some seeds in your terrace for the birds to eat. Start your day with affirmation 11 times, not the way it's written here. You will say, I will allow self realization to dawn upon me. I will allow self realization to dawn upon me. Say this 11 times and start your day, and you will feel as if everything is falling in place, and you are able to, spend time on yourself, buy something for yourself, and at the same time handle all your personal and your official work properly and be happy too. So that's how your day is going to end today. Have a great day. Have a blessed day.